And again, welcome in or welcome back in, beautiful babes. Sweet Angel here, and today I'll be sharing with you a wonderful anti-aging mask and a natural wrinkles remedy for you. This amazing mask that I have prepared is an anti-aging natural recipe that's going to help remove wrinkles as well as tighten the skin. And if I didn't mention, please make sure you all go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're definitely interested in home remedies. The first ingredient we'll be using is 2 to 3 teaspoons of parsley. Now I just have dried parsley. You can also use fresh parsley. Both are rich in vitamin C, which is the primary ingredient that is wonderful for the production of collagen. Collagen is, of course, what actually helps keep the skin looking younger and to help keep the skin looking plump without the wrinkles and the fine lines. Parsley is also rich in antioxidants, which protects our skin from free radical damage and also reduce the signs of aging. And yes, those are those pesky wrinkles and fine lines. Parsley helps to provide deep moisture to the skin and give it a fresh look. The second ingredient making use of is egg white. You can go right in the fridge, right in the kitchen for this recipe, y'all. Egg white contains albumin, and albumin is the protein that helps to tighten the skin and helps to get rid of the sagging or reduce the signs of sagging. So primary ingredients, we have egg white and you have your 2 teaspoons of parsley. What I'm going to do is go ahead and take these 2 ingredients and put them in my blender and mix them up together so that my egg can get a little frothy. We'll add in the final ingredient. The final ingredient I'll be using 2 teaspoons of white flour. If you've ever used basin or gram flour, white flour is quite similar to those. It too can be used to fight off oily skin problems, toxins out of the skin, reduce acne problems, age spots, dark spots. It is known to improve the texture of the skin as well and make it tighter. If you've never used white flour in your skincare routine, prepare to be amazed. So now mixing up all of the ingredients in this amazing wrinkle treatment. Again, 2 to 3 tablespoons of parsley, egg white of 1 egg, and 2 teaspoons of white flour. Mix the ingredients well. And don't forget to put a like on the video if you're still with me right now. Now apply this mask all over your face and neck. Apply it generously. Remember that this mask will have to be made fresh each time because of the egg. I don't like to keep open uncooked eggs. Once you've applied it, let it sit on the face for up to 30 minutes. I recommend doing this one in the evening time. Once you have spent some time with the mask, go ahead and prepare to wipe off any residue and then rinse your face with cool water. Now moisturize your face as usual. I will be using the Avon New Ultimate Multi-Performance Moisturizer. This is a nighttime cream as this mask is to be done at nighttime. And I'll also be topping it today with some Vaseline. I have noticed considerable difference in my skin since I've been applying Vaseline on top of my moisturizers or my neck creams. It has really helped to soften my fine lines and lessen the wrinkles around my mouth area. So definitely give it a try if you're able to use Vaseline. Repeat the application of this wrinkle removal mask twice a week. If you're using any of the other treatments that I have presented, please feel free to interchange as need be. Whichever one is convenient for you or whichever one seems to be working best for you, that is the one you should choose. And this mask again will help to reduce and remove fine lines and wrinkles and help to overall repair your skin to give it a more youthful, plump look. It's going to provide intense moisturization and also antioxidant protection to the skin. And going forward, this mask will also help to prevent the formation of new fine lines. So definitely stay on top of this one if you're at the stage of anti-aging and aging prevention. And over time, check out your skin. You'll be looking fresh and bright and glowing. Definitely one of my favorite ones. And beautiful babes, don't forget the hands. You can also use this on your hands as well, which of course our hands are super valuable to us. And beautiful babes, this is it for this mask for wrinkle-free skin. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know. Let me know by dropping a like on the video and also dropping me some hearts down in the comments. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so right now. And I am out of here, beautiful babes. Thank you so much again for hanging out with me, and I'll see you on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and tell a friend where you're hanging out at. Please share me with your world. I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.